Welcome to Richard J, Australia's most trusted provider of commercial laundry and warewashing solutions. We believe that every Australian deserves fresh sheets and clean clothes to wear. This core belief shapes everything we do. Our second-generation family business launched in 1969 as a single laundromat in Adelaide. Since then, we've grown to become the only truly national provider in the industry.
We understand what it is for a business to have problems with things that aren't working and the impact that that can have on their business, but also on the end user, whether it's a person who's living in an aged care home, a patient in a hospital, a person in a high quality hotel, a backpacker who needs to wash their garments. It's all impactful. So I think people think of us as solution providers with laundry.
For 50 years, we've been looking after a diverse client base of hospitality, healthcare, education, mining, government, and community operations. When people think of Richard J, they think of industry experts who are knowledgeable, reliable, energetic, safe, and honest. Our business has embodied these values since we first launched all those years ago.
We believe technology changes really quickly and we're always out there looking for it. To date, that we've been successful in doing that. I think that makes a difference.
With warehouses and offices in every state, only Richard J has the ability to meet your laundry and warewashing needs locally and immediately. Our after-sales department is your first contact point for servicing and maintenance requests. We also offer industry-leading preventative maintenance agreements to assist facilities meet the Australian standards for accreditation.
You have to provide the best service you can to get to those customers as quickly and get first-time fix on their equipment so they can get back into business as quickly as possible.
We bring the best laundry equipment from around the globe to our clients across Australia. This includes leading brands like Electrolux, LG, Maytag and more.
Generally speaking, for me, the most rewarding thing is to change something that may be a problem within someone's business, make them maybe run a little bit more efficiently, cut their costs down, and then be a partner with them moving on down the track.
As for dispensing solutions, Richard J partners with Brightwell in the UK to supply world-leading equipment for laundry and warewashing dosing soap and paper dispensing and remote chemical dispenser monitoring. We also provide a full range of high-performing chemicals. Our J-Chem range is geared towards safety and sustainability. With laundry design and fit-out, we advise clients on workflow, hygiene and efficiency to prevent cross-infection and save on energy bills. With the future in mind, we are continuously identifying new ways for our clients to reduce their carbon footprint. Our range boasts the latest in water-wise, energy-efficient technology without compromising on wash performance. Our consultants are highly trained to conduct on-site audits across various industries. We can conduct a thorough audit of your laundry and warewashing processes and propose ways to correct inefficiencies, reduce outgoings, mitigate the risk of cross-infection and minimise your environmental impact. At Richard J, we have an impressive history because we have always embraced new technologies and delighted in bringing them to the Australian market. We understand that all organisations have different needs and budgeting requirements that must be kept in balance. That's why we offer a range of flexible payment options, including Capital Plus, which is a cost-effective agreement that covers all of your needs with no capital outlay, and our all-new subscription service, J-Way. J-Way covers all of your laundry and warewashing requirements for a single fee, calculated per guest, bed, wash load, room or rack, whichever is suited to your operation and industry. We'd love to hear about your organisation. Get in touch with our team to tell us about your laundry and warewashing requirements.